Hey, what's up guys? I'm Logan, and that's Bridger, and today we're doing the hair dryer challenge. So basically, what you do is you take this cling wrap stuff, you put it on something, then you hair dry it, so then it clings on. See if it works. We're testing it. It's gonna be a test. Put it on full power. Hope it works. Comment down below if you think this is gonna work. Clean down. Doesn't work so far. Hold on. Ugh. That's pretty warm. It should be working. Or maybe it's cold. Hold on, we're just gonna look up how to do this and then be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I just did some research and it says it has to be like very tight. Let's make it tighter. Comment down below if you think it's gonna work, because I don't. It's not gonna work. It's sealing a little. Okay. So as you guys can tell, it actually sealed a little bit. Yeah, it's sealed. Well, myth is busted. It works. If you try it, it's probably not gonna work. Don't try this at home. Got that? Don't. And also, if you do it to a water bottle, don't drink the water. It's polluted. Well, not polluted. It just probably went bad. Oh, and by the way, let's get this video up to like 5 likes. If we get this video to 5 likes, I mean, woo! Like and subscribe.